50 phrases. Normal English, advanced English, speak like a native and sound smarter. Normal, I'm very happy. Advanced, I'm over the moon. Normal, I'm very sad. Advanced, I'm feeling down. Normal, it's very important. Advanced, it's crucial. Normal, I'm very busy. Advanced, I'm swamped. Normal, I'm very hungry. Advanced, I'm starving. Normal, I'm very tired. Advanced, I'm exhausted. Normal, I'm very angry. Advanced, I'm furious. Normal, it's very cold outside. Advanced, it's freezing outside. Normal, it's very hot today. Advanced, it's scorching today. Normal, I'm very scared. Advanced, I'm terrified. Normal, let's meet today. Advanced, let's catch up today. Normal, wait a moment. Advanced, hang on a sec. Normal, I'll think about it. Advanced, I'll sleep on it. Normal, I'm leaving now. Advanced, I'm heading out. Normal, let's start. Advanced, let's get the ball rolling. Normal, I don't know. Advanced, I have no clue. Normal, I'm listening to you. Advanced, I'm all ears. Normal, I agree with you. Advanced, I'm on board with that. Normal, I understand you. Advanced, I see where you're coming from. Normal, let's continue. Advanced, let's pick up where we left off. Normal, I'm not sure. Advanced, I'm on the fence. Normal, I don't like it. Advanced, it's not my cup of tea. Normal, it's very boring. Advanced, it's mind-numbing. Normal, that's funny. Advanced, that's hilarious. Normal, I'm interested in this. Advanced, I'm fascinated by this. Normal, that sounds good. Advanced, that sounds like a plan. Normal, I'm worried about it. Advanced, it's weighing on my mind. Normal, that's a bad idea. Advanced, that's a recipe for disaster. Normal, I feel sick. Advanced, I'm under the weather. Normal, I'm surprised. Advanced, that caught me off guard. Normal, let's talk about it later. Advanced, let's circle back to this. Normal, I'll do it soon. Advanced, I'll get around to it. Normal, let's finish this quickly. Advanced, let's wrap this up. Normal, it's easy to do. Advanced, it's a piece of cake. Normal, I have a lot of work. Advanced, I'm buried in work. Normal, I'm trying my best. Advanced, I'm giving it my all. Normal, I got a promotion. Advanced, I climbed the corporate ladder. Normal, I quit my job. Advanced, I resigned from my position. Normal, let's start the meeting. Advanced, let's kick off the meeting. Normal, it's not my responsibility. Advanced, it's not in my wheelhouse. Normal, let's go out and have fun. Advanced, let's paint the town red. Normal, don't worry about it. Advanced, no big deal. Normal, I feel nervous. Advanced, I have butterflies in my stomach. Normal, stop wasting time. Advanced, stop beating around the bush. Normal, tell me the truth. Advanced, give it to me straight. Normal, that was really unexpected. Advanced, that came out of the blue. Normal, don't be upset. Advanced, don't lose your cool. Normal, it's your decision. Advanced, the ball is in your court. Normal, it's too expensive. Advanced, it costs an arm and a leg. Normal, don't give up. Advanced, hang in there. Which one do you use the most? Comment below.